Alright, this video is on how to transform a clip or multiple clips in Final Cut Pro 10. Alright, so here's my cursor, and if you look, you see I've already done some here. I'm doing this, I have some birds that I've been recording. And then as you look, I've got multiple clips that are upside down because I had my camera in upside down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this first clip, I'm going to click on it, I'm going to put my finger on the shift key and highlight all of these clips. Then I'm going to go up to my little box here where the arrow is. I'm going to press this button, I'm going to hit transform. Then in the center, you're going to notice that it's all outlined with a white line and these little blue dots. I'm going to take this, I'm going to rotate it, and look up top, you'll see that it's showing my rotation going 130, 147, 149, 50. When I finally get around to 180 up here, I click on here. If you look just above, you'll see it says rotation 180 plus 0 degrees. So right here is where you're going to see that. I'll click it one more time. There's 179 and 180, but you got to see it's 1 plus. I just got to get a little bit of a degree off. I want to get it to 0. Whoops. Now if you can pull it out, and it'll be a little bit easier. There we go. Bam, done. Now I'm going to hit done. Now you look here, you'll see this is rendering that change. When that little dotted line disappears, your render will be done. Also up here, if you click on this, it'll pull this up and it'll show you that you're rendering. Right now I got 0% rendered. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Now, if I look at this, you'll see that it's a little bit light. So let's say you want to change the color, or you want to match the color. Well, the way you do that is you're going to go to your little choose color correction, and you're going to click on it. And let's say you want to match. So you click this, and I've highlighted all of these. So now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to find one that I want to get the color close to. And when I click on it, it should change all of these to that degree of change. But before I can move my cursor, I got to hit apply match. And I just did. So now I've got a double render going at the same time. And it's brought the color down on my birds. But you see here I've got a little bit of red in it, which I don't like. So I think I'm going to go Command Z and undo that for now. Alright, so that is quick tips on how to do some quick editing of your clips, transforming them, and changing the color. If I click here, all these highlights will come out. Now if you want it just to do one, you could go to 1, and you could just match the color on 1. And the rest of them wouldn't be matched. So I would just do the exact same function. I would click here, match color, come over here, find one that I think is good, click on it, and you can see it changes. And then you apply the match. And then if you want to look at it, you just hover over it, and you can see it's still got that little bit of red hint because that's caused by this light entering on the camera. So then I'm going to go Command Z and undo that because I'm going to change it manually, I think. All right, that's it.